What's going on? Come into the crib. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of a tour. Here is the most pointless space of the house. There's actually nothing here. Like nothing's gonna happen there. Here is one of the bedrooms. Come down. Here is one of the bathrooms. Keep coming. Here is another bedroom and another bedroom. And then here is, I guess, a lounge space. We're not going to use this at all. And then that is outside for the dogs and then all my friends that I don't have. Let's go upstairs. Welcome to another bedroom just over here. And then we go over here and now we get into the real shit. So this is another bathroom. Fuck me. One of the plants. And here's where the money is, right? So here's the living room. And yeah, so I've been able to do this at 21, which is surreal. You know, I didn't expect this, but here we are, right? So here is a fireplace, a big fuck off TV that doesn't even work yet. Random chairs everywhere. And then the balcony, which, I mean, we can go and take a look. It takes a little bit to open the door. The balcony, which isn't too bad, right? Yeah, insane. This is kind of the outputs of the inputs of work that you need to put in. I've spent a lot of days and, to be honest, years on a computer trying to make a lot of money. And to be honest with you, it didn't work for 5 years of those. This is kind of just the repercussions of the last couple of years. You know, I spent 5 years, maybe in 5.5 years, fucking around, trying all these different things. You know, all the side hustles, I was FOMOing into everything and it just didn't work, right? This is what it looks like when you stick to one thing and you're consistent. The truth is, right, we're not that different, you and me. Like, we might be different age, different genders in different countries, but at the end of the day, we've all got the same opportunities. You know, you just need to stop waiting for them and you need to create them. All right, so first issue of the day. I just got a message from someone on my team saying that my calendar isn't working. And how do you book someone on for a call without a calendar? You don't. So I had to look at it and yeah, it is fucked on Calendly. So I was like, all right, let's use, you know, someone else's calendar on my team so we can still process calls and stuff like that. So we can still make sales and, you know, make money. And that link is not working either. So I have to troubleshoot with Calendly. If you guys have used it before, you would know how fucking useless they are. Or can be, especially when handling a large volume of people, right? Because we're constantly fully booked on the calendar, and we've had issues before. So yeah, this is the first issue. But on the plus, we have made, I think it was about $650 already. I'll pop a screenshot somewhere. So we've made 650 and I think we also made another 100. We made another 450 today as well. But that was a split payment from the other day. So we've got about a $1,000 a day almost, or a little bit over, you know, about 12 p.m. now. But yeah, I need to troubleshoot this and we'll kind of see what happens from there. So I've managed to get the calendar fixed, which is good. We can now get people booking through and stuff like that. You know, this is the reality, to be honest with you. You know, with the money, obviously comes a lot of work and stress. I'm a business owner. I run a lot of different things. So I run a business, I run salespeople, I do sales myself, I do this, and this, and things like that, right? So I've got a lot to manage. And it can get overwhelming, to be honest with you. There is not a single day where I'm not feeling really overwhelmed. right? Because this is what I've jumped into, right? When you jump into the realm of business, you jump in with a lot of overhead, right? So you need to pay different people. You need to make sure that they can live. You need to make sure that they're eating. There's been times where I've had like a bad week, right? And you know, the salespeople that work with me, right, that I would normally give them money, obviously this is all they're doing for work. They don't work another, you know, they don't work a normal 9 to 5. And there's been times where I've had a bad week, the business has had a bad week, we've not made that much money, and I've literally given them my money. Like, I'm like, no stress, man, like that's no worries. I appreciate you putting in the effort, etc. Here's $1,000, here's $2,000. I do that a lot. Like, I did that a lot when everything was a bit slower, when we were kind of at the start. But you know, when you've got a vision and you know that the vision can come into fruition, then you're going to do what it takes to get there. Now I run a couple different businesses. Well, the main one at the moment being Dynamis. Dynamis is a sales sort of business, right, where we teach sales reps, we place sales reps, etc., etc. It's everything, right? So today I'm predicting I'm gonna do about $2,000, a very, very slow day, and that is, so that's $2,000, take away 25%, so I keep the other percent. So yeah, not too bad. I've got someone that I actually recently trained into appointment setting specifically, and I think he just hit over $100,000 in contract value in the past couple months, and he started from nothing. And I had another guy recently, he's a sales closer, and he did, you know, he's only been doing this for a couple months, and he did $20,000 last week in like 4 days, and I think about 40 grand in contract value for the company that he was working for. So there is, you know, obviously the upsides of seeing everyone else be super successful, but I'm just trying to give you the reality. You know, obviously now I've got a nice little view to be able to work, but nonetheless I'm working. So we're now going down to the beach. Beautiful beach, take a look, right? This is important for your fucking sanity, because when you're sitting in an office all day just constantly working, you need to touch grass, in my case touch sand. This was one of the reasons why I got that $2 million house to begin with anyway, because, you know, in between calls or meetings or whatever it is, I can come out here and walk the dog and go to the beach. I was never a big fan of the beach, to be honest with you, but I mean, you can't really complain about that, eh? This is the Australian beach. It's pretty nice. Even after so many years of business, you know, making money and whatever, it still surprises me how fresh a day can be if you go into the right mindset. Yesterday actually, I felt probably the worst I've ever felt in a couple of years, to be honest with you. I was super overwhelmed, super stressed. I was feeling confused, kind of. I didn't know what to do, even though I did know what to do. It's a weird feeling, but it sucked. So I literally just didn't work yesterday for the first time in ever. And, you know, and to be honest with you, I've not slept that good in days, or weeks, to be honest with you. Just because of everything that goes on, it's very stressful, right? People rely on me. But today, I'm feeling much better, you know, rejuvenated, right? And some advice for you, if you ever feel like you're really burnt out, like truly burnt out, not pussy, bitch, you know, I'm not gonna burnt out after one day of work. Like, if you're feeling truly ever burnt out, take a day off, relax, chill, because the money's gonna be there tomorrow, right? Like, I still made a couple grand yesterday because of the work that I did prior. Today I've made a couple grand, tomorrow I'm gonna make even more. Like, the money's gonna be there, but at the end of the day, what's the point of making the money if your health is declining, right? So this is what it's really about, right? This is what we work hard for. That's it for the call, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright. So I just finished off a group meeting with 30 guys in there. Dude, I was on there for like an hour and a half, just spitting sales game. They learned a lot. The sales game that I taught them has literally made me millions of dollars, so it's pretty good. But we're gonna clock off the day now. It is currently 6:48, and I've made $2,700 and something dollars. Not too shabby, not too bad. But yeah, that's it, right? I will go and eat dinner, chillax, probably sleep, and then go to tomorrow. So this was a day in the life, I guess, of a real 21-year-old guy that's making millions of dollars and building empires. This is the most realistic day that I could give you. But being said, I hope you did enjoy the video. I will catch you guys on next week's. If you did enjoy it, let me know.